Oliver 1850. This is a restored version of the 1850. It was manufactured by Ertl in the mid-1960s. It uses the same casting as the 1800. The only difference is in the decals, the rims, and the bearings. The rims are now the smooth, high dome rims with plain tires, and the 1850 uses plastic bearings instead of metal ones. It has the same steering wheel, the same hook-type hitch, the same pan-type seat and seat bracket, the same round hubs, and the same black ribbed plastic pedals, but with hat-shaped push nuts. The pedal crank assembly should be painted green, not black as it is on this tractor. The 1850 also has the same plastic front grille as the 1800. It is painted the same green with clover white rims and seat. It has decals on the left side, the right side, the steering wheel and dash, and on the front. It has smooth high dome rims with low dome hubcaps. The front tires are 7 by 1.5 inch rib tread flat face with no lettering. The rear tires are 12 by 1 3/4 inch lug tread with no lettering. As you can see, this is the same model 063 as the 1800. There are two more Ertl Olivers, the 1855 and the 1855 White. They are the same as the 1850, except for the decals.